Okay, hello everyone. So if you're a marketer or a creator, you know how hard it is to constantly come up with new content. So I'm a solo developer and I built a tool to solve that problem. So let's say ChatGPT does not do very good with specialized prompts. So basically I created this tool. So general AI chatbots are powerful, but they aren't built for that marketer's workflow. You have to type long, repetitive prompts to get the right tone and format for each and every single social media platform. So the solution is Lucius. So let's say I type in a prompt here. Our new eco-friendly coffee is now available. So let's say I put in a few keywords: eco-friendly, coffee, and new product. So I choose target platform, which let's say it's LinkedIn. Click on generate, and then you'll see this basically it's thinking, right? So you get answer really quickly, and you get variations for each post. And let's say you want to do that for X, right? So you just press the target platform and create generate post. So this is going to prompt it, and you get very quick results. You can edit it if you like, but mostly it's really optimized. So the entire output changes really fast, depends on which platform you click on, and this can create really quick description or hashtags wherever. Image generator for now. So I'm working on executing new tools as well. So you have pricing here. So it is free to use for now, but I am going to put a limit because it has to work for both customer and the creator, right? So you can upgrade to Pro right now, but you can use free versions. It's great. So you can sign up with Google and your email if you want, or log in with Google. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and any feedback would be great now. So yeah, thank you.